Hello everyone, welcome back to Smile Kids channel. Today we're going to derivate acceleration due to gravity. So without getting late, let's get started. Before we understand the derivation of acceleration due to gravity, let's first understand what is acceleration due to gravity. Now let's consider an object. Right, when an object is dropped from a certain height, its velocity increases at constant rate. In other words, we can see that when an object is dropped from a certain height, an uniform acceleration is produced by whom? It is produced by the gravitational pull of the earth. And such acceleration that is produced on a freely falling body due to the gravitational force of the earth is known as acceleration due to gravity. And acceleration due to gravity is denoted by small letter g. Previously, we learned that F is equal to G into capital M multiplied by small m upon r square. Now, what is F, G, capital M, small m and r here? Let's understand this. Here F stands for the force, G stands for the universal gravitational constant, and M, that is the capital M, stands for the mass of the earth, and small m stands for any object that is lying on the earth. Let's consider the small object as some stone. And now what is r? R is the radius of the earth. With this, let's move ahead. So now F is equal to G into capital M into small m upon r square. Let's consider this as equation number 1. Then we move ahead. Do you remember the Newton's second law of motion? Well, yeah, it is F is equal to ma. Now, from this, can we write acceleration is equal to F by m? Well, we can. And let's consider this as equation number 2. And now, what are we going to do? We are going to substitute equation number 1 in equation number 2. What does this mean? It basically means in place of force, we are going to substitute this particular equation. So let's move ahead and find out the acceleration due to gravity on Earth. By substituting equation number 1 in equation number 2, we get acceleration is equal to G into capital M into small m upon r square into m. Well, yeah, we're going to cancel out this. So we'll be left out with acceleration is equal to G into m upon r square. Well, now what to do? We know that the acceleration produced on the earth is known as the acceleration due to gravity and is symbolized by G is equal to Gm upon r square. Yes, we have arrived to the equation. But do you think we have arrived to the calculation of acceleration due to gravity? Yet, no. So let's understand how to calculate the value of G on Earth. G is equal to G into m upon r square, where small g is the acceleration due to gravity, capital G is the gravitational constant, m is the mass of the earth, and r is the radius of the earth. Now, what are the calculations for the G, m, and r? Well, G, m, and r. G is 6.7 into 10 to the power of minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. followed by mass of the earth 6 into 10 to the power of 24 kgs, followed by 6.4 into 10 to the power of 6 meters. So using these three calculations, we're going to calculate what is the acceleration due to gravity on earth. We know that our formula is G is equal to capital G into M upon R square. Substitute the values of capital G, M and R. We arrive to an equation saying that G is equal to 6.7 into 10 to the power of minus 11 into 6 into 10 to the power of 24 upon 6.4 into 10 to the power of 6 whole square. Upon calculating this, we get the value of G as 9.8 meter per second square. This is how we have arrived to a value of the acceleration due to gravity as 9.8 meter per second square. Thank you. And before leaving, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, Smiley Kids. Stay tuned for more.